Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12.
Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. It is Saturday, and welcome all you Vlogmas viewers. I am definitely going to have Starbucks this morning. My sister just picked me up. We're at the gas station because she's got to get gas. But we're definitely going to go get Starbucks. So I don't do it very often, but every once in a while, Starbucks is where it's at. What's your favorite drink at Starbucks? Or what's your favorite coffee to drink, period? So let me know in the comments below. So it's Saturday, of course, like I said, so I'm not sure what the day holds. Of course, I've got to deliver some orders this morning, jelly orders, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And I do have some batches to make today, but I'm not going to show that because I've already shown that. And I know you guys are probably like, oh my God, how much jelly can this woman make? So anyway, so let's see what the day holds, and I will, if I can, take out the camera and just kind of vlog my day. Talk to you later. Okay guys, I thought it'd be nice to show you some of our neighboring neighborhoods. They have a beautiful old coffee house close to us, and they have a co-op where they grow their own vegetables and fruit, and also a beautiful lake. So I'll show you a little bit of footage of that. Okay guys, I have had this quilt top for probably about 2 years. I am a beginner quilter. I would definitely not say I'm an expert, but I was making this quilt for my twin sister, and so it's time for me to go ahead and finish it. So this was a tutorial done by Jenny from Missouri Star Quilting Company on YouTube. I think it was her two-step quilt, so I followed her tutorial. And so these are the colors that my sister picked. I think I got this fabric from Craftsy. So anyway, so I need to add a 2.5-inch white border and then a 6-inch blue border. So these are the colors. So this is the white that I'm going to do, that's 2.5 inches. And then this is the color blue that I'm going to use for the 6-inch border. My sister is about 5'10", so she wanted a quilt that would definitely, if she was sitting on the sofa, would cover her from head to toe basically. So I'm trying to make sure that this is a big enough quilt for her. So yeah, so probably no knitting tonight. We're switching gears and we are going to be quilting. Okay, since I am tackling a quilt this evening, I've had this blade on this rotary blade cutter for a while now, so I need to change this one out to get a brand new one. And I generally have some on hand And I grab these when they're on sale with a 40% off coupon, usually at Michael's, so that I will always have some laying around. So let me change this out and then we will get started. So basically on this particular one, you just pull back the holder and the blade pops out, and then you carefully lift it up. And I have a used case for all my old blades. I just don't throw them in the trash. I figure one of these days they may be able to resharpen these. I have tried to sharpen these on my own with a tool from Amazon, and that really did not work. So we're gonna continue to keep them until further notice. So these are the new blades. Yep. So I'm just going to take one of these out. I think it's a pack of 5, and these are sharp, so we have to be very, very careful. They're stuck together with like a some oil, so they kind of slide off. So I'm going to put these back in here. Put these back in here. And then we are going to put this blade on. Put this back on here. Turn it around to the back side. Then we're going to push this back up on there. And voila, the blade is ready to go. Okay. Keep it locked. Pull it down to unlock it. Okay, so the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sharpen my scissors. I got this Fisker sharpener. So you just put your scissors through here to sharpen them. Back up. I'm probably not going to need scissors. I usually use my rotary blade for everything. So, but you never know. So I just want to go ahead and get these sharpened just in case. Okay. guys, so it is the end of the night on Saturday, but I did get the borders to my sister's quilt done, and so I'm very happy about that. So I'm going to show it to you real quick. So the next part is the whole sandwich part that needs to be done, which is the part I don't like the most, but oh well. But it really, I think it really looks good. Okay guys, here is the quilt in all of its glory. So the white border is a 2.5 inch border, and the outside border, the dark blue, is a, that's Alexis waving, is a 6 inch border. And I gotta tell you, just framing that quilt made the difference, all the difference in the world. So I am very happy with it. So tomorrow I'm going to sandwich it. So I will talk to you in the next Vlogmas.